Through this dairy festival, I am hopeful that we are not only showcasing the strength of our dairy industry, but also promoting Bohol as a dairy capital of the Visayas.
Atong paminawon kung unsa mga programa ang mga good and surprises para sa atin ng Department of Agriculture. So again, good morning everyone. Welcome to Kantihay. Daghang salamat.
Bohol is not just the chocolate hills and tarsiers, it's also a model for circular agri-enterprise from grass to glass.
Ang dairy po pinaghihirapan namin sa Maynila upang palakasin, padamihin. Subalit kayo pala dito sa Bohol, hindi nyo lang pinalalakas, pinagdiriwang nyo pa. Palakpakan po natin ang mga sarili po natin. Sa katunayan po, nagtayo po tayo ng 5 stock farms sa buong Pilipinas. Ang magandang balita, isa po sa 5 yan ay naandito sa Bohol, nasa Ubay, Bohol.
Murag kamo ang una nga mahimo nga usa ka probinsya, you would have the best organization.
Dili lang mo nagbuhi sa inyong mga hayop, kundili nag-aptiman pud mo sa kalusugan and sa nutrisyon sa atong probinsya. Through this program, we aim not only to improve the nutrition of our learners, but also to support the local dairy farmers and strengthen our communities.
Powerhouse in this part of the archipelago, ready to meet the dairy needs of our people. Let this event be the catalyst for further growth in the dairy sector. Let us support our very own local industry as we continue to elevate the entire agriculture sector to greater heights. Congratulations, and I wish the 9th Bohol Dairy Festival the very best and every success. Daghang salamat. Abante Bohol.